Jaja. We can't come out. This serious, bad.
So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way. And this is now the road and everything is going into the sea.
Shut down, push up them now. Blow it. I think the bus will pass it for us. Watch it, and the bus a big vehicle.
Right, this morning about 7:30 the most. We understand Romy and his daughter we lived together for quite a while. There was a landslide on top of him, and that landslide tear down a wall, fell into the house itself. And as a result of that, they came tumbling down into another neighbor's house. We found him wrapped between a tree, one of them cashew tree. The citizen cut him out. But then we are trying now frantically to find the daughter. We don't know exactly where the daughter is. We suspect the daughter could be somewhere beneath the mud and the rubble behind his neighbor's house. So we are here around trying to see how well we can get him out.